If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, you're not alone. The good news? There are science-backed methods that can help you lose belly fat faster than you think. In today's video, we're breaking down 5 proven methods that actually work. No gimmicks, no fluff. Before we begin, ask yourself this. If you could change just one daily habit to shrink belly fat, would you do it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habit that is, and 4 more powerful strategies. Method 1. Cut sugar and liquid calories. When it comes to belly fat, sugar is your biggest enemy, especially in drinks like soda, juice, sweetened tea, and energy drinks. Sugar spikes your insulin levels, and excess insulin tells your body to store fat right in your midsection. To see fast results, cut sugary drinks for just 7 days and replace them with water, lemon water, or unsweetened tea. Most people notice a flatter stomach within the first week. Method 2. Increase protein intake. Protein is the king of fat loss. It reduces cravings, boosts metabolism, and keeps you full for longer. Try adding lean proteins like eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, beans, or tofu into every meal. Studies show that people who eat high-protein diets burn 80 to 100 more calories per day, even without exercising. This one shift alone can transform your belly fat results. Method 3. Do short, intense workouts. You don't need hours in the gym. High-intensity interval training, or high-intensity interval training HIIT, burns belly fat faster than steady cardio. Try this simple routine 3 times a week. 20 seconds fast movement, then 10 seconds rest, then repeat for 4 minutes. You can do jump squats, high knees, or fast walking. HIIT continues burning calories hours after the workout, perfect for quick fat burn. Method 4. Fix your sleep. Here's a fact most people ignore. Poor sleep increases hunger hormones and belly fat storage. Adults who sleep less than 6 hours per night gain belly fat 30% faster. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Reduce screen time at night, keep your room dark, and avoid heavy meals late in the evening. Good sleep equals faster fat loss. Method 5. Reduce stress. Chronic stress triggers a hormone called cortisol, which tells your body to store fat around your stomach. Simple habits like 10 minutes of deep breathing, walking, listening to calming music, or journaling can lower cortisol levels. A calmer mind leads to a slimmer waistline. Bonus tip: stay consistent for 10 days. You don't need perfection. Just follow 3 out of these 5 methods consistently for 10 days, and you will start seeing visible changes: less bloating, less heaviness, and a flatter midsection. Losing belly fat isn't about starving yourself or doing endless sit-ups. It's about smart, sustainable choices that work with your body, not against it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. And comment below, which method are you trying first? Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay strong.